electric field intensity due to two thin infinite plane parallel sheets of charge. So here we are having two parallel plates having charge density sigma 1 and sigma 2. Let us we take here both the surface charge density to be positive but having different values, so sigma 1 and sigma 2. For this sheet of charge, that this is the first sheet and this is the second sheet. The field intensity direction, this is the sheet here, this is the sheet, this one ऐसे रखी है हमने, placed like this vertically. So direction of field lines will be outward drawn normals. So we mention here E1. Similarly, this sheet is also placed like this, and the field direction for this at this point will also be outward E2. If we want to find out at this point for this sheet outward drawn normals, that is E2, and for this sheet also outward, because sheet surface charge density positive charge is lying, and for positive charge the field lines are both sides. Similarly, at the center point for this sheet the field intensity is this one, so we mention here E2, and for this sheet in this direction, so we mention here E1. Let us name this region 1, this is region 2, and this is region 3. Now to find out for the first region, the field intensity, first region E1 is given by minus E1 minus E2. Why minus E1 minus E2? You can see here in the region 1 both the field intensity are directed along negative x direction, and according to the sign convention, the negative x directions are taken to be, every quantity is taken to be negative. So E1 and E2 both are taken to be negative, minus E1 and minus E2. Also we know that for a single uniformly charged plane sheet we have just calculated the value of E to be E is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. So for the first sheet this is minus sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught, and for second also minus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. Taken minus 1 upon 2 epsilon naught common, it becomes sigma 1 plus sigma 2. Let us give it name 1. This is for first region. For third region similarly it is given by E1 plus E2. Now why E1 plus E2? You can see here both are in the same direction and along positive x-axis, and along positive x-axis both are added having positive sign. So sigma, so we directly 1 upon 2 epsilon naught we take common, sigma 1 plus sigma 2. Here negative sign will not come because both are positive. For the region 2 in between, you can see here E2 is along negative x-axis and E1 is along positive x-axis. So net value will be E1 minus E2. So that is 1 upon 2 epsilon naught. E1 minus E2 means sigma 1 minus sigma 2. Number 3. Now if we assume that the first sheet is having surface charge density equal to plus sigma, and second sheet is having surface charge density equal to minus sigma, in that case E in the first region is given by, we can see here minus 1 upon 2 epsilon naught, minus 1 upon 2 epsilon naught, sigma 1 plus sigma 2. So sigma 1 is sigma and sigma 2 is minus sigma. So putting this value, sigma minus sigma is equal to 0. It means E1 is equal to 0. Similarly, E2 can be calculated as 1 upon 2 epsilon naught. Sigma 1 plus sigma 2 is sigma 1 plus sigma 2. Sigma 1 is sigma and sigma 2 is minus sigma, cancel out and 0. E2 is 0. It means here the net value of intensity is 0. Net value of intensity is 0. Now let us find out an in between. So E3 is equal to 1 upon 2 epsilon naught. Here it is sigma 1 E2, E3 ne E2 in between, E2 in between it is sigma 1 minus sigma 2. So sigma 1 is sigma and sigma 2 is minus sigma, so added. So we'll write here sigma minus plus हो गया यहाँ पर sigma. So 2 sigma upon 2 epsilon naught cancel out, or we left with sigma upon epsilon naught, which is the value, constant value in between the surface.